Alright, so I got everything back running. Put everything together. Got a P2173, 2193 throttle actuator sold. One of them, I forgot exactly the number, but I know it's for throttle actuators. Gonna check the code out, but throttle does look dirty, so that may have something to do with it. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out and see. But got everything put back together, running, so that's a good thing. We're good to go. Test drive it and see how it's running. Now I just did the driver's side, right? You can listen. You got some more ticking on the passenger side. I don't know if you can hear it in the video. I hear it. Got some ticking over here. Not as bad as the ticking that was on the driver's side before. Like I said, valve dropped and created a lot of problems. So gonna get into it, fix it. Gonna do the passenger side next. Replace all of the lifters, rocker arms, change them all out. You know, I'm in here, change the spark plugs again, and go from there. But got everything back running, and it's ready for the road.